This is Realme C55, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So first of all, you will need to launch settings. From here, if you would like to check your Wi-Fi usage, enter the Wi-Fi category and go for the More Settings section. And at the More Settings page, just enter the Wi-Fi data usage category. And here you go. Here you have it. The mobile data usage, on the other hand, can be seen through entering the mobile network category instead of a Wi-Fi. And in here, just go for the data usage. And at the data usage page, you can see the data used both by SIM1 and SIM2 if you have two SIM cards inserted, of course. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.